1941 swing dance house party. Why not? Let's check it out. Woo! Greetings and salutations. Welcome to Street Smart Swing. My name is Jamin Jackson, also known as the Galactic Swing Dance Umpire, and I'm excited to be taking a look at this clip. But first, make sure you subscribe and headbutt that notification button so you never miss a video from me ever again. A house party with Fats Waller and his friends? Yeah, let's jump right into this, and I will be telling you my thoughts right afterward.
My, oh, yes, my, they have a new expression, long old Holland way, that tells you when a party is 10 times more than gay. To say that things are jumping leaves not a single doubt. Watch all these cats, watch everything when you hear somebody shout. This joint is jumping, really jumping. Come in, cats, and check your hats. I believe this joint is jumping. Piano's pumping, dancers are bumping. Every Moses on his toes, in fact, the joint is jumping. Check your weapons at the door, just pay a quarter. Burn your love around the floor, grab anybody's daughter. The roof is rocking, the neighbors are knocking, but we're all bums when the wagon comes. Let it lead, yeah, send it, Jack. Send me, Jackson, I love it. Oh, yeah. Get that boy a drink over there, he's all right. Fine lad, yeah. Oh, mercy, look at that fine beautiful kid. No, son, that ain't the play, no. Don't you hit that chick, that's my bro. Take it, Miss Johnson, take it.
This joint is jumping.
Yeah.
It's really jumping.
I know it.
Come in, cats, and check your hats. I mean, this joint is jumping.
Hey.
Piano's thumping, dancers are bumping. Every Moses on his toes. In fact, the joint is jumping.
Tell 'em about it.
Check your weapons at the door. Now be sure and pay your quarter.
That's it, get the
Burn your
quarter.
leather on the floor, boy. Grab anybody's daughter.
Except
the
my
roof is
daughter.
rocking. The neighbors are knocking. We're all bums when the wagon comes. I mean, this joint is jumping.
Turn it loose.
Give me the pony.
Get your big feet binging, there's plenty in the kitchen. What is that? You just walked in, just look at the way it's switching. Oh, mercy. Don't mind now, cause I'm in power. I got bail if we go to jail. I mean, this joint is jumping, yeah. Oh, don't ever hit the right man. No, don't ever do that. I mean, this joint is jumping, yeah.
I gotta admit, Fats Waller is one of those guys you want to hang out with at the bar having a good time, but you can go from having a good time and happy to scary real quick. He has this natural ability to just come across as that character from A Nightmare Before Christmas. What was his name? Oogie Boogie, something like that. I love him, but he seems like he's got a lot of secrets. It's something about that smile and those eyebrows going up and down, but the music just kind of makes you feel like you were drawn in. It's so alluring. My favorite part of this clip is the lady who's just so annoyed, who's upstairs. She's like calling the cops every night. Like, hey, this is the greatest music of all time, but they keep playing it super loud. There's 1,000 people in this apartment. What's even funnier is it's as if the drummer knew she was calling the police, because right after her call, that's when he's doing the drum solo. He's like, 3 in the morning? I don't even care. I tell you right now, it would really be hard to complain with that type of quality for the swing music just in my neighborhood with my neighbors downstairs. Then again, I'm a swing music fan, so another thing I like about this clip is that they are playing this song so fast. And people are like, Balboa? Nah, we're gonna swing out as hard as we can in this tiny little apartment. I would have loved to be there, leaving the Savoy Ballroom. It's late at night. People are thinking, hey, where are we going to go? What's the after party? And then you go to this little house like this in Harlem somewhere. Good times. What did you guys think about this clip? Let me know what you thought in the comment section below. If you haven't started dancing yet, I encourage you, start swing dancing right where you are at home. I've created over 20 free swing dancing courses that you can check out. You can learn it on your own pace and be able to start learning what everybody else is having so much fun doing. So with that said, if you enjoyed this Fat Squalor video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if I don't see your comments below, hopefully I get a chance to see you in my class online. Take care.